bass fishing, rivers, kayaks.
2K16, December.
Cool. Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Oh yeah. Yep. Hell yeah.
Nice bass on the sugar pen. Still got to measure him up. Biggest bass I'd say for me, for sure.
Woo.
Stonker. Stonker bass. Put him
Let's
on
see
the
if
brag
he's
mat.
50.
Alright. Take the lip grippers off. Look at that. 51.
Oh, yeah, just on 50.
Just on 51 nearly.
Woo! Look at the thing. What was that on?
On the sugar pen.
Nice.
Favourite
55 mil.
Time to release the big fella. Ew.
Dude, that's a stonker bass.
Ready to go, and he's off. Guess what? I got it. I didn't get the hit, I don't think. Harry's on.